I'm hoping that the next term of the European Commission and the European Parliament can follow up on some of the ambitious targets that have been set to protect the environment and to make economical development more green and sustainable. As global solidarity increases, health and social development have reduced mortality rates and made us live longer. So the human presence on the planet has grown at a faster pace than the environment can catch up and regenerate, and with toxic consequences on Earth. After the Paris Agreement and the last IPCC report, there is no way that we can't rush into a decarbonized economy. Alternatives already exist, and renewable energies need to be boosted if we are losing our dependency from fossil fuels. Europe needs to lead by example and become a global beacon for sustainability. Innovation will have to drive us through the challenges of feeding humanity while keeping resources available. Sustainable. We will need to reduce waste on one hand by avoiding a superfluous consumption and optimizing the use of natural resources. On the other hand, by products of human activities, and the potential waste we generate needs to have a proper destination, favoring reuse, recycling or upcycling. Platforms such as Think2030 have a virtue of pulling together policymakers, academia, stakeholders and civil society to brainstorm for new ideas or develop on best practices. Most often than not, solutions come from where the problems are. And by sitting around the same table with our hearts open, we get more convergence and concordance among the parties than any other formal sitting. Think2030 has great opportunities ahead to be a source for game-changing ideas that will shape sustainable and environmental friendly growth. Humanity has proven to have great resilience and an ability to adapt, but this may come to our dire end if we don't change our ways of life, which means to rethink how we manufacture and consume. In short, manufacturing will need to be ecologically designed from raw materials to the product's end-of-life options. Reused and recycled products will need to prove to be equally safe to their virgin counterparts. Consumers will have to play a key role with their everyday choices, and for that to happen, we will need more information on the sustainability footprint of production. Legislation might not be fast enough to bring our actions into a sustainable conformity. I believe that wiser consumer choices will be the true force of change. For that to become a reality, there must be a big investment on public awareness that will lead us into a more responsible consumer patterns. Thank you.